Hey, it's Brian here and welcomes back to the Tech Port. In this video, I'm gonna introduce to you the coolest cleaning inventions and gadgets that are on another level. Before we dive into the video, consider the click red subscribe button and press the bell icon for post notification. That will encourage us to create more awesome videos like this.
The Karcher SC2 steam cleaner is part of the range of products developed by the world's leading provider of cleaning technology. Easy to set up and with storage for all the accessories, the SC2 is ready to go in just a few minutes. Using nothing but tap water, the SC2 deep cleans all around your home, killing 99.99% of bacteria. Using the extension poles, specially designed floor tool and microfiber cloth ensures a deep clean on any type of hard flooring, including stone, laminate and vinyl. A simple switch to the hand tool and you can continue easily cleaning all those surfaces that usually require a deep scrub. From tiles, work surfaces, cooker hobs and doors, to glass and shower screens. The SC2 is perfect for them all. The detail nozzle and brush lets you complete the job by getting to all those difficult, hard to clean places where grime and limescale builds up. Once finished, the steam cleaner can be easily stored and the microfiber cloths can be washed in your washing machine.
Bacteria. We spray, we sponge, we wipe. But what about our carpets? They may look spotless, but there's potentially harmful stuff deep down. Bacteria that can't be removed by vacuuming alone. The Vax Platinum is our best ever carpet washer, cleaning 5 times better than a high-performance vacuum cleaner. Fill the tank with water and add Vax cleaning solution. Then Automix does the rest. The mix is pumped into the carpet as our brush bar and patented spin scrub technology agitate the fibres. Then up to 93% of bacteria is sucked away. The Vax Platinum cleans carpets better than the leading rental. The pre-treatment wand targets busy areas, while the spin scrub tool and hose give upholstery, car interiors and stairs a deep down clean. To keep bacteria at bay, vacuum and use your Vax Platinum regularly. When you're done, remove the dirty water and tip it away. Then your carpet's dry in as little as an hour. It's the easy way to leave your carpet fresh and clean.
The Dyson 360i robot is powered by the high-speed Dyson digital motor. It's small and light, yet delivers higher suction than any other robot vacuum. A unique 360-degree vision system sees all the way around itself at once, selecting reference points to track and triangulate its position so it knows where it is, where it's been, and where it is yet to clean, systematically cleaning your home in 3-meter grids. Patented radial root cyclone technology generates powerful centrifugal forces to fling dust out of the air and into the bin. The robot's cleaner head spans the full width of the machine. Carbon fiber filaments remove fine dust from hard floors, and stiff nylon bristles remove ground-in dirt from carpets. Continuous tank tracks climb over obstacles and maintain speed and direction, ensuring it stays on course. And the Dyson Link app allows you to start, pause, and schedule your cleans, as well as monitor and update the Dyson 360i robot vacuum. The Dyson 360i robot, the most powerful suction of any robot vacuum.
At Plum, we have created a new, unique cleaning system. An eco-clean will lower your running costs so you can save on your power bills. If a system is dirty, it works harder to cool the air. Over time, the system will become clogged with dirt, grime and mould. A unit that goes without a service for an extended period will always have a reduction in the quality of air it produces. Eco-cleaning will clean dust and airborne contaminants off the coil, which is located behind your filters. Just like your car, your split system air conditioner needs to be serviced regularly for enhanced performance. We recommend servicing your system at least every 12 months. What is involved in an eco-clean? When the Plum technician arrives, he will remove the plastic covers and filters from your split system and take them outside. Our technician will spray them with an industrial antibacterial chemical and then eco-clean them to make them look new again. A water waste catchment bag is then attached underneath your indoor unit. We then apply industrial-grade chemicals to loosen the dirt on the exposed indoor fan coil. Our technician will then eco-clean the indoor system with our special pressurised water system to remove dirt, grime and mould from the indoor unit fan coil. He will then eco-clean the indoor barrel fan and back of the system. After the system has been eco-cleaned, we will blow dry your indoor unit with our exclusive portable drying system. We then reassemble your unit and complete a full function test to ensure it's operating the way it should. Your split system has not been cleaned until it has been eco-cleaned by Plum Heating and Cooling.
Introducing the Surface Edger, a new tool designed to make pressure washing the edges of paved surfaces faster, cleaner, and easier. Pavement cleaning machines are among the best ways to remove dirt and grime from pavement. Yet effective as they are, these machines can leave the edges of the pavement in need of a touch-up. Designed by and for professional pressure washers, or anybody who wants to clean like one, this simple tool gets those pavement edges spotlessly clean fast. With its convenient two-wheeled configuration, the Surface Edger cleans as fast as you can walk, while using a simple pressure wash nozzle is one available solution to cleaning the edges. This generally kicks up a lot of mud, grass, and dirt from the adjoining ground. The Surface Edger's unique design keeps the mud and grass where it's supposed to be, off the pavement. The Surface Edger can accommodate 2.5 to 8 gallons of water per minute and is compatible with machines of up to 5,000 psi. Constructed of rugged, heavy-grade materials that provide years of dependable use, the Surface Edger helps you get your pavement looking brand new every time.
Moss collecting on the roof has become an ever-increasing problem. After just a few years, concrete roof surfaces tend to grow moss. It starts on the shady side and later spreads to the whole roof. This is not only an eyesore, but mosses, fungi, and lichens, in time, causes decomposure of the roof surface. The roots dig deep into the surface and leave behind an open crater landscape. A roof such as this needs professional help. As a first step, we recommend you make flexible hoses to the downpipes to avoid blockages. The removed green coating does not get into the sewer and is led away from the house. Introducing AquaJet Cleaning System. If a roof cleaning job is too dirty or too dangerous for you, then the AquaJet Roof Cleaning System is the perfect solution. Just start and let's go. full speed ahead. Without a great deal of dirt, it travels its course. With AquaJet, we have developed a standard that is second to none. Almost floating, it glides on the surface. Circumferential brushes save energy and guarantee a high running smoothness, the perfect movement to avoid damage. The dirt layer is drained off via the gutter. The AquaJet trolley takes off easily and is therefore easy to handle. Powerful diesel engines provide the necessary high pressure. Our pressure pumps deliver 30 liters, or 7.9 gallons per minute. These performance parameters allow you to work with long hoses even at higher heights. A unique selling point for cleaning companies, developed by German roof cleaners for professionals from all over the world. Featuring 500 bar and 7,250 psi technology, it's enough to tackle and complete any job thoroughly. Your customers receive professional roof cleaning where even stubborn dirt has no chance. Infinitely adjustable pressure takes the degree of soiling into account. We have created a standard with the AquaJet that is unparalleled. There is no better cleaning. It pays to invest in German technology. Their first-class workmanship and practical features ensures years of outstanding quality and maximum productivity. Our oldest machine is 15 years old and is still running. Why cut back? AquaJet Trolley is the tool for the job. Similar to the lawnmower principle, you get uniform results. A special nozzle combination, as well as an adjusted jet angle, ensures that even the critical lower edge area is spotlessly clean. It features a central height adjustment with quick and easy setting of a working height. With only one lever, the height for the respective roof profile can be adjusted, a milestone in roof cleaning.